Fuck all that talking, let's do it. Fuck all that talking, let's do it.
Alright, no need for an intro, none of that. I'm not even trying to get like funny because I'm looking good with my haircut. Like, it's kind of a sad moment right now. We're gonna get real serious. Like,
this is a Chucky beat.
So, yesterday we found out that a longtime employee at our high school, he was a janitor and he touched like a lot of people's lives. He passed away in his sleep 2 nights ago and they just found his body yesterday. So last night, people went to his house because he lived in Dover. He wasn't like someone that like just worked in Dover. Like, he was all about Dover. He was all about the community. He was all about what we stood for. He loved our culture. Like, he loved everything that Dover was all about. Like, a lot of towns talk shit about us, but like, he was always defending us. He was always going to every sporting event, anything like track, soccer, football. He loved every student in high school. Like, if you were a freshman, first day of school, like, he was helping you. That's how good of a guy he was. And like, it just sucks seeing people like that go. So right now, you know, it's snowing out in Jersey, even though it was sunny this morning, because like I said, Jersey weather's fucking stupid. But yeah, right now we're going to the high school and, you know, we got the balloons on deck because we're just saying like one last farewell to our boy Jack. We're repping that orange and black, got that Dover on my heart because that's all I rep, dude. I'm a Tiger for life. I love Dover. No matter how much shit we get, we're always gonna, you know, come together as a community, you know, help out our own and shit. And there's a GoFundMe to help pay for his funeral expenses because he didn't really have family. He lived on his own, and he always said that all the students at Dover High School were his kids, and we really were. Like, that was basically like, he was family to us, and he doesn't have any, like, we want to have a service for him. So I'm gonna link the GoFundMe in the description below. If you can just help, any donations help, honestly. Like, you don't have to put like fucking $50. If you put $1, like, that just helps all the money goes towards him, and it just helps. How's you got anything to say, bro?
Rest in peace.
Rest in paradise, baby. This one's for you.
This is a Chucky beat production.
This is Jack.
What is that?
It's a GoPro.
our pilgrimage. Misties we love so well. Tell my name and her fame in our history. We always love to dwell. Loyalty true. We pledge anew. So we sing and we cheer with the song for Tiro. Don't burn. Ah, you guys fucked up the end, bro. I started that shit, bro. I started that shit, bro. I fucking love you, Jack. Start that shit, bro.
I didn't even see you, and I was like, that was just.
That was me. I'm with it, though.
Alright, Mom.
Bro, there's too much wind, dog.
Alright, love it.
Someone just used their hot ass breath. I didn't say that. Woo! Safety hazard. Safety hazard. Just. Hey. Kind words to Jack. Kind words to Jack.
Yo, Jack,
this ain't about me.
We love you, Jack. The whole Dover community loves you. You know, we miss you. We love you. Rest in peace, man.
Yo, guys, can I get any kind words to Jack for the camera? Kind words to Jack. Come on.
Hey yo, Jack. I'll see you later, bro.
Dead ass.
Rest in paradise, man.
Tell him.
I love you.
Tell him. We all love you, dog.
Laughs and good times, bro.
Thanks, bro.
I love
Anybody
you.
else? Anybody else want to say anything to Jack?
Thank you, Jack, for being a legend.
He's a legend, bro.
Yes.
You gonna get a statue soon enough, boy.
Love you, Jack.
Facts, bro. So, Chris, kind words to Jack, bro. Kind words to Jack.
Are you recording?
100 though, 100. If it's not 100, I'm not rocking.
I don't have 100.
100. Bro, come on, you got bands.
got a couple, bro.
Fucking, come on, singles, bro?
I don't have any.
Just kidding, bro.
Yo, I'm sorry, the journey.
You disappointed us, bro. I put you on my last video, too.
I know.
Damn,
Is that you
bro.
recording?
Yes, bro. Why do you always ask that question? So, kind words to Jack?
Jack, man, I love you. I miss you.
That's a 20, bro. Damn, that's popping, bro. Any kind words to Jack, yo? Come on. Come on, B-White. Just tell him one last goodbye. So cute. And Andy, any last words to Jack?
I love you.
Any kind words to Jack? Kind words to Jack?
Jack, you're always a Superman. You weren't just a janitor. Everyone knows it. I called you that. Everyone called you that. Fly high, Superman.
Thanks. Statue for Jack. Hashtag it. Thank you for the words.
Yo, Justin, get them to donate, yo.
Any kind words to Jack? You don't need to donate. We don't need your money.
Yo, let's go. Let's stop it.
What you mean, fam? Come on,
I
bro.
don't know who you are.
Wow.
He was a really good guy.
He's a great
I heard
guy.
that.
He's a legend.
He's a legend.
Absolute legend. He's gonna get a statue right there.
Hold on.
Keep going.
I
Keep
have
going.
like $1 in my car. That's all I have.
I'm a kind gentleman.
I see that.
Oh, my hands are so cold. Thank you for the money, bro. No doubt. Thank you. Any longtime graduates want to say kind words to Jack?
Yeah.
Well, after being out of high school for so long and hearing about that, it's a little devastating just because Jack was one of those like gems that you knew were going to take care of future students. So my prayers and condolences go out to the family, and we'll always love you, Jack, no matter how old we are.
Thank you. Oh my God. All right, I'm done with this. It's so cold. Jesus.
This is a Chucky Beat production.